Welcome to another installment of the PineScript 101 series. When crafting a trading strategy, it is important to have control over when it executes. In the previous segment, we learned how to do so with a given time range. In this final segment, I'll walk you through the process of defining trading session boundaries based on days of the week using PineScript. Let's now move over to TradingView and dive in. First, we'll set our inputs for the days of the week. Day variables as Boolean inputs, aka true or false, for each day of the week. So Mondays equal input dot bool with default value equal true, the title M with a group that we can call days, and an inline option so that we can put the inputs on the same line, that we can call days. And we do the same for each day of the week, like so. Let's clean it up a little bit, save, and check the settings. Looks good. We'll now define a function to set the session days in a format that can later be used in the time period condition. We can name that function set session days, for example, and declare it as such. The format has to be column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, where 1 is Sundays, 2 is Mondays, 3 is Tuesdays, and so on. So first, declare a variable days that will initialize with column. Then, if Sundays from our input, we'll add to days plus 1. And we do the same for each days of the week. Like so. And we need to make sure that we return our days string, so the function can be used to set the days. That's it. We can now use the function to set the session days. Variable session days equal to set session days. And finally, we add the session days to the time period condition. Session time plus session days, like so. Let's save and check if that works. Let's go to the settings, and now we're just going to have Mondays to be in session. Let's check. Yes, only Mondays in session, days in session here, and so on and so forth. Looks like it works. Awesome. With all the parts done, we now have a complete functionality to control our trading sessions given a date range, a time range, and all days of the week. Those different dimensions can be used together or turned off as needed. Using such a feature, you can now refine your strategies, executing them within different time-bound conditions. I hope you found value in learning how to define trading session boundaries using PineScript. Remember, trading is a journey, and mastering PineScript is just one step along the way. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.